Hello and welcome back to another Proper Classic and another office floor unboxing. This time it should be, I think it's the throttle body back from Silek Auto. Should be. DHL said it was. So let's have a dig in here, see what's what. I'll try and cover up any names and addresses and whatnot, as you're meant to do with these things. But yeah, if you haven't seen previous unboxing, that was for the coil wire harnessing. This all goes back to the rough running that the old 124 coupe is still suffering with, despite having changed. What's I think is the throttle. I've changed spark plugs, fuel pressure regulator, the coil ignition wires, and the main wiring loom, which was suffering with the dreaded eco wiring, I guess, degradation that they do. It ran okay for a bit, then it went rough. So I bit the bullet, got the throttle body done, and got those new coil harnesses, which will coming up in a coming up video. Let's see what we've got in here. Packaging. Oh, the original box I sent it in. So thanks, Simon. Thanks for sending this back. Here she is. So, original bolts, wire clip. I think I took all the other bolts out. It still looks pretty grotty, but this is the important bit that he's done, and it looks like he's done a very good job with it. So, yeah, thank you, Simon. Appreciate it. If you're interested, that's the part number. So, yeah. Next job is to put this on the car and see whether I can get it working. So, yeah, appreciate you watching. Short unboxing video here again, but yeah, thank you for watching. Subscribe to the channel to see this being fitted. Leave any comments, leave a like, and yeah, we'll see you in the next one. Cheers.